ಹಿರಣ್ಯಕಶಿಪು ಬಾರೋ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಮದರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಡಿ ಬೇಗ. ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮದರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಡಿ.
मनोभूतकोटि प्रभाषी शरीरम् कल्लोलिनी चारुगङ्गा दशहारबाले सुकन्ये भुजङ्गा
ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಮಗುನು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇದು. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ಇದು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರುವ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ.
A Balabharati student studying in class 7. I would like to welcome you all to today's Balabharati Vashrikotsava program on the occasion of Shivaratri festival in Royal Shelters layout. It is brought to you by Royal Shelters Festival and Cultural Celebration Trust or RSFCC. The RSFCC Trust has been set up to conduct various cultural and socially relevant programs in our community. This is the 8th consecutive year of Shivaratri celebrations in our layout. In our culture, a lot of importance is given to light, Jyoti. Light and brightness is equated with positivity, motivation for doing good, and spirituality. Light dispels darkness and love uplifts us towards enlightenment. So let's make today's program auspicious by lighting of the lamp. I would like to request the BV Shikshaks to please come on the stage for Deepa Prajwalane.
Asato Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
ಸಮಯವಿರಲಿ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಬೆಳಗಿ ಬರಲಿ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಬೆಳಗಿ ಬರಲಿ ಸುಖ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯ ಜೀವನ ಸಾಧನ ಕರುಣಿಸಲಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಪಂಕಜಲೋಚನ ಹರುಷದ ಮನವಿರಲಿ.
Is the day of culturally celebrating the festival with various art forms. Kala Sanjay. We have cultural programs from Balabharati children, Balabharati parents and Shikshaks and talks from eminent personalities lined up for today's evening. Today's dinner prasada will be as always from Adamya Chetana. I have been attending Balabharati classes for the last several years. Children of ages 5 to 12 from our neighborhood are part of this movement, and we have a fun-filled 2-hour class every Sunday in Raiti Sipahi Mandir of our layout. To give you all more context and intent behind today's program, I call upon Sampath Uncle, a Balabharati Shikshak, to deliver the welcome speech.
Namaskara. Namaste. Good evening, everyone. ಸೊ ಎಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದ ಧ್ರುವ, ನಾನು ಸ್ಟೇಜಿಗೆ ಬಂದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಎಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನಾಲಿಟಿ. ಸೊ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಎಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನಾಲಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಮಂಗಲನಾಥಾನಂದಜಿ ಮಹಾರಾಜ್ ಅಂತ. ಅವರು ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣಾಶ್ರಮದ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಯವರು, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತುರುವೇಕೆರೆಯಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 6:35 ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. ಸೊ 7 o'clock ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಇದೊಂದು ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6:35 he should be arriving. After that, once he is settled down, we will invite him through Kumbha, Purna Kumbha Swagata, sorry, thank you. Purna Kumbha Swagatinda ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿನ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ 7 ಗಂಟೆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ he should be arriving around 6:35. So now Shivaratri 2018 we started in this community 2018. So every year the scale has been improving every time. So we started this Shivaratri keeping Balabharati in mind. So this is a stage for the children to flourish, to learn their culture. So ivattu the makkala education alli there is a big void, because big void ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವೇರ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್, ಹೂ ಡು ದೇ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್? ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅ ರಿಚ್ ಅನ್ಬ್ರೋಕನ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಭಾರತ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಭಾರತ್, ಹೌ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್, ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. They say the Vedas are about 20,000 plus year old. So Vedas are the oldest surviving text in this earth. So Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvaveda. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳೇ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So they are from a longest cultural tradition. India was about 30% of world economy just about 200-300 years ago. So we ruled the world about world 1000 years ago. After that, our decline started. So we want to teach our children our true history, where you are from, who you are. So once you teach the children who you are, so whatever they become, wherever they go, they will be standing on their firm ground. So that is our strong belief. Psychology ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಯಾರು, ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದರು, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಏನು, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ಸರ್ವಂ ಖಲ್ವಿದಂ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಅಂತ, ಸರ್ವೇ ಅಮೃತಸ್ಯ ಪುತ್ರಾಹ ಅಂತ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ವೇದವಾಕ್ಯಗಳು ಇವತ್ತಿಂದಲ್ಲ. ಸರ್ವಂ ಖಲ್ವಿದಂ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಅಂತ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಹಂ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಸ್ಮಿ ಅಂತ, ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸರ್ವೇ ಅಮೃತಸ್ಯ ಪುತ್ರಾಹ ಅಂತ. ಕೆಲವು ರಿಲಿಜನ್ಗಳು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಒರಿಜಿನಲಿ ಪಾಪಿಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸರ್ವೇ ಅಮೃತಸ್ಯ ಪುತ್ರಾಹ, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಮೃತತ್ವದ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ವಿ ಆರ್ ದ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಇಮಾರ್ಟಲ್ ಬ್ಲಿಸ್. So that is what our Vedas pronounce, and we need to teach our children that. So this is a stage which teaches the children you are nothing but that andre you are the spark of the God. Ashtu. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಲೇಔಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ RSFCC ರಾಯಲ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ನಮ್ದು ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್, we started our work in 2010. So 2010 ಅಲ್ಲಿ we started Ganesha Festival. Can you imagine what was our budget in 2010? Can you? So 35,000 rupees we spent. So that year 2010, we started Ganesha Festival in a very, very small, humble way. 2010 to 2016, 7 years we conducted Ganesha Festival. And when we closed the Ganesha Festival, our budget was about 12 lakhs. So we were doing the 12 lakh collections, 3 days festival. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಹೋಮ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ವೈದಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು, ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಊಟ, ರಾತ್ರಿ ಊಟ, ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹೋಮ ಇತ್ಯಾದಿ ವೈದಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ, ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಊಟ, ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್, ಅಗೇನ್ ಡಿನ್ನರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ various Vaidika rituals, Madhyana Uta, Ratra Uta, and again we will have evening cultural programs. So 3 days worth of program, a massive effort. Of course, Ganesha festivals, runs in September time frame. So where the rains are very common, we will put a sheet pendal and all that stuff, right? So this is not a rainy season. Lucky we are. So we have not put any cover for you. Luckily, so we spend less. So 2010 all the way till 2025 now. So we have about 16 years of effort in this community through RSFCC, and Bala Bharati is run by the mothers. So all mothers are here. So we have made 3 groups for this Shivaratri festival. So we have 86 children participating in this program. So children are sitting here quietly. So 3 groups, 3 group ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. 3 group ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 skit ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. You might see the invitation on the screen. 3 skit ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, 6 dances ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, and Swamiji, like I said, he will talk at 7 o'clock. ಮಂಗಳಾರ್ಥಂಜಿ ಮಹಾರಾಜ್ ಅವರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ we have various programs. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಡಿನ್ನರ್ will come to your seat. ಯಾರು ಎದ್ದೇಳಬಾರ್ದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಡಿನ್ನರು. So this is how our vision is. Our vision is to imbibe Indian culture into the children, to make them very confident, make them very strong, make them grounded, right? So they should be able to defend. So while they can be very brilliant, if they are not able to defend themselves, ಅವರನ್ನ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಆಗದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. So this is what we teach our children, to stand on the firm ground. So this Balabharati is run by the mothers, and ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಬಾಲಭಾರತಿಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ? So those children are from all background, all strata. So there is no discrimination. ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾರು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದೆಯೋ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. 5 years to 13 years, that is the range Balabharati children are of. And then we also have Kishore Bharati for the older children. So that is Kishore Bharati. So any of you are welcome to admit your children to Balabharati, Kishore Bharati, and these are absolutely free programs. There is nothing collected for this. All the mothers and parents of the community, they take time to teach the children who we are, where we come from. So that's the overall motive of Balabharati. And Shivaratri is a stage for the children to perform. So 26ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು we conducted Shivaratri festival, Vaidika Karakrama naditu, and we had several programs that day. Avattinu divasa mantra chanting aitu, Rudrabhisheka aitu, and 108 times we did Mahamrutyunjaya mantra. All the children, everybody chanted. A lot of energy in the air, right? So that was Shivaratri, and this day is a cultural day. So basically Shivaratri we conduct on 2 days. One day is the Vaidika Karakrama, which is Shivaratri celebration itself, and today is the cultural program. So that is the format we follow. 2 days. One is the Shivaratri festival, other day is the cultural celebration. So that is how we do it. Cultural celebration we do it on the weekend so that we can take out time easily. So that's about Shivaratri celebration for Balabharati conducted by the mothers and parents. Lots of events are awaited here. Children and Shikshaks have prepared them for last 2.5 months. And we also had Balasangama in November 17th. November 17th ಗೆ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಇವಾಗ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 1st ಗೆ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Many of them have spent lots and lots of effort. Please support them, appreciate what they have learnt. See, when you see a child who cannot even pronounce a word properly, the child can chant 20 shlokas. Deepa Mule Sthito Brahma, Deepa Madhye Janardanaha, Deepagre Shankara Proktaha, Sandhya Deepa Namostute. When the child cannot even chant a word, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಚಾಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸಲ ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅನ್ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ರೀಸನ್ಸ್. ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಪ್ರೈಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್, ಬಟ್ ದ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಚಾಂಟ್ ಶ್ಲೋಕಾಸ್ without any mistake. Imagine what we are instilling in these children. And why are we chanting these mantras? Gange Jayamune Chaiva Godavari Saraswati. Why we prostrate to the rivers, right? And why we call rivers with the names of feminine. Feminine is a nourishing element in our nature, right? Feminine is always nourishing. That is why feminine runs this Balabharati. Even today, even during COVID, we ran Balabharati. So that is the power of Balabharati. Balabharati started in Bangalore in 2012 and we picked up in 2018. So there are about 85-90 Balabharatis in Bangalore. In Mysore also there is one Balabharati. Chennai also there are Balabharatis. And again, welcome you all. This is Shivaratri celebration. There should be a lot of energy in the air. With that, Bolo Bharat Mata Ki! Bolo Bharat Mata Ki! Hara Hara! Hara Hara! Hara Hara! Thank you all.